Hey guys, welcome back to this SQL tutorial series. In this session, we'll be implementing the right join. So the right join basically returns all the records from the right table and only the matched records from the left table. So if we take table A and table B, then applying right join on these two tables would give us all the records from table B and only the matched records from table A. So let's have a look at the syntax. We'll start with the select keyword first and then given the list of the columns, following which we'll give the from keyword and then give the name of the first table. Then we'll use the keywords right, join, and then give the name of the second table. After which we'll use the keyword on. So this on keyword tells SQL that this right join needs to be done on some condition. And that condition would be values from column X of table 1 should be equal to values from column Y of table 2. So before I go ahead and implement the right join, let me actually have a glance at the employee table and the department table. So I'll start with the employee table. Select star from employee. So this is our employee table, which comprises of these columns: employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee age, employee gender, and employee department. And we'll be implementing the right join with respect to this column, employee department. Now let me also have a glance at the department table. Select star from the name of the table as department. I'll hit execute. So the department table comprises these three columns: department ID, department name, and department location. And we'll be implementing the right join with respect to this dname column. So now let me go ahead and write the syntax for the right join. So I will put in the select keyword first, and then I'll give in all of the columns which I want to select. So from the employee table, I want to select the employee name and the employee department columns. So for that, I'd have to give in the name of the table first, then I'll put dot, and then I will give in the name of the column which I want to select. So employee name. Similarly, I also want the employee department column. So first I will give in the name of the table, which is employee dot, and then I'll select the EDEPT column. And then I want the department name and department location columns on the department table. So I'll have to give in the name of the table, which is department. I'll put in dot over here, and then give in the name of the column, which is dname. Similarly, I'd also want the department location. So I'll put dot and then select department location. Now I will give in the from keyword and then give in the name of the first table, which would be employee. After that, I will type the keywords right, join, and then give the name of the second table, which is department. Then I'll use the on keyword and then give the condition. So the condition would be values of EDEPT column from employee should be equal to values of dname column from the department table. So employee dot EDEPT should be equal to department dot dname. I'll put semicolon over here. Let me hit execute. And this is the result which we get when we apply right join on the employee table and the department table. And since this is the right join, we see that we have all the records from the department table and we have only the matched records from the employee table. So we see that there is no content, tech, and finance departments in the employee table. So that is why we have null values over there. And this is how we can implement the right join. In the next session, we will learn about full join. So thanks for attending this session. Let's meet in the next class.